Hello my friends, how are you? Welcome back to my channel. We still explain how to use the Telegram app step by step. In today's tutorial we explain how to add new admin to your channel on Telegram. Let's get started and see how can we do that. First, tap on Telegram app icon. After that, select your channel. We have two ways added admin to your channel on Telegram. Let's see the first one. Press on this icon. After that, click on subscribers. Press on three dots beside the person who you want to make as admin. Let's try this one. Press here. Tap on promote to admin. Now you make this person admin on your channel on Telegram. Here you can find admin rights which can make on your channel, like change channel info, post message, edit message to other, delete message of other, invite users via link, manage voice chat. Also this person can add new admins. After that, press OK in this icon. This is the first way. Let's go back and see the next way to edit admin. Go back. The same step. First click on this icon. After that, press on administrators. Press on edit admin. Place on this person to make as admin. Press here. Now you added Elon Musk as admin on your Telegram channel. After that, press OK. Here we reach to the end of the video. On this video we explain how to add admin to your channel on Telegram. That's it.